term is that type of the velocity. Same we have discussed about the term uniform. In last article we have discussed about the uniform speed. After that, type of velocity. Same uniform speed. Yeah, we can write here the first type uniform velocity. Variable speed, we can write here variable velocity. Average speed, we can write here average velocity. Instantaneous speed, we can write here instantaneous velocity. And the definition is almost same. As you know, what is the definition of the speed? Distance traveled by time. Here is displacement. One difference is that we have discussed about the distance traveled by the object per unit time, but there is no direction. But here the direction is given because it is a vector quantity. Same here. Uniform, what is the definition of the uniform velocity? Then we can write here, then we can define in a very easy form. If any object travel equal distance in equal interval of time, but the direction is given in a particular direction, then you can say this one is known as the uniform velocity. Or you can also define in another way. What is that? A body is said to be moving with uniform velocity if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. Then you can say this one is the uniform velocity. But in last definition I don't use this word displacement because I use this distance upon time, but I already use the one term in a particular direction. Or you can also use in a distance or displacement upon time taken. Then I think everyone is clear. Uniform. Then variable, same definition is we are using the variable speed. Here we are using variable velocity, but the one difference is that we use the distance, replace the distance as a displacement. And same here, average total displacement upon total time. Instantaneous speed, in last we are using this, as you can see this in a particular time taken, that delta x upon delta. But here we are using, if vector head is used in a delta x upon delta t, and this, then you can say this is the displacement, and arrowhead is denoted as a velocity. Then this term is become equal to the instantaneous velocity. Then we have discussed about the two terms. One is that speed and velocity. After that we have discussed about the next term, and the before that the homework for you, that is write the difference between the speed and velocity. In last lecture I also give a homework, difference between the distance and the displacement, but no one is reply what is the homework. And today I also give speed and velocity. And speed and velocity, you write the difference between speed and velocity. And the next topic is acceleration. I think this term is clear for everyone. This one is also same, ditto same, but we are using the one concept, distance and displacement. Otherwise all are same. I also provide the notes. I will send as a PDF to all speed, distance and acceleration. Next, the topic is acceleration. What is acceleration? Then we can define the simple definition of the acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by the A, and where a vector head is given on this because this one is a vector quantity. Now the definition is that change in velocity, rate of change of velocity is known as the acceleration. Then how we can define the term of the acceleration. For the definition of the acceleration, we have discussed about that acceleration, we can write here acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time taken. For example, how we can define this one? For example, an object is lying at this point A and velocity of this object is u. When we apply some force, this object is changed and reach at point B, then velocity of this object is v and time taken is t. Now what is the change? This one is the u, this one is the v final velocity, this one is the u initial velocity, this one is the time taken. Then what will be the change of the velocity of the object from A to B? Then you can say change in velocity v minus u and time taken is t. Then you can see the simple definition of this object. Now acceleration, then v minus u upon t equal to acceleration. How we can define? Again I explain. Acceleration is denoted by the A. What is the acceleration? Change in velocity upon the time taken. This one is the simple definition. Acceleration of an object is defined as the change in velocity that per unit time, or rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity of an object is also defined as the acceleration of the object. Now we have discussed about the definition of acceleration. If we consider an object is lying at rest, or you can say starting point of this object is A and reach at point B, then what will be the initial velocity of this object is u and final velocity of this object is v, traveling with velocity v, and the time taken by this object is t from A to B. Then what will be the change in velocity? This one is the final velocity, this one is the initial velocity. Initial in physics, the one concept is that I think you already read about in 9th class. The initial velocity of an object is considered as a u. This one is the u, v minus u upon t. Change, how we can write? Because this one is the definition, change in velocity. Change, what is the change? Final minus initial. Then we can write v minus u upon t equal to acceleration. Then this one is the simple definition of the acceleration. Now if the examiner asks what is the unit of the acceleration, then we can write here unit of acceleration. I write the symbolic form here. Change in velocity, what is the unit of the velocity? Meter per second. What is the unit of time taken? Second. Then we can write here meter per second square. And what is the dimension formula? I think everyone is known. What is the dimension formula of velocity? Lt की power minus 1. What is the t? Then we can write here Lt की power minus 2. Now you also think about that the sir is also giving the unit and dimension formula. We have discussed about the load many physical quantity in the part 3 dimensions of the first unit, and we have discussed about the physical formula. After that unit and dimension formula. All physical quantity are given in all syllabus. First unit also given, second unit, third unit. We have discussed about the different physical quantity in different chapters. We have discussed about this unit and dimension formula of the given physical quantity. Now the next is that types of acceleration. The same we have discussed about that uniform acceleration. Then we have discussed about the variable acceleration. Then we have discussed about the average acceleration. and the last is that the instantaneous acceleration. Uniform, the same definition. Acceleration of an object is said to be uniform if velocity change by equal interval of time of in equal interval of time, however the small these time interval may be. Then if the change in velocity is equal interval of time, then you can say the uniform. If the invariable the acceleration of an object is said to be variable acceleration if velocity change by the unequal amount in equal interval of time. अगर you can see here ऑब्जेक्ट x से y जा रहा है और उसने यहाँ से यहाँ वेलोसिटी ट्रैवल की है 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. टाइम इज 2 सेकेंड 2 सेकेंड 2 सेकेंड. चेंज इन द वेलोसिटी 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. देयर इज इक्वल change of the interval of the velocity and equal interval of time, then you can say uniform. अगर ये velocity unequal होती और time same होता तब हो जाता variable. Average में what is the average? Average definition is also same. If an object is moving with a variable velocity, the average acceleration is also defined as the total change in the velocity of the object to the total change. कितना हुआ है? Total change in the velocity, total time taken. This one is also definition of the average acceleration. If we consider the total time and total change in velocity, total change in velocity and total time taken, this one is also definition of the average. Now this one is the, if we taking the small change in the velocity in a particular time delta t, then we can write here acceleration. Small instantaneous acceleration is the same way limit delta t approach to 0. Here we can write delta v upon delta t. This will be equal to the acceleration. This one is the definition of the mathematical formula of the instantaneous acceleration. If we are going for the small change in interval of time with small change in velocity, then you can say this one is the definition of the instantaneous acceleration. After that, the one question is also arise. The speed, we have discussed about the three terms: speed, velocity and acceleration. This one is the term of only positive or zero. Velocity will be negative, acceleration will be positive, negative and zero. Then you can also search about that why with this positive or negative, positive, zero, negative or negative, positive, negative, zero, positive, negative, zero velocity. But this will speed is a only positive or zero, not a negative. Why? This one is a question for all one, and you can also reply in a group: speed, velocity or acceleration. Now after that we have discussed about the positive, negative acceleration. I already give a homework for you. What is the positive, what is the negative acceleration of this object? Positive, negative and acceleration you can also define. And one thing is that then today we also conduct a test, but some students are not add in a group